The following is a flash flood watch announcement from the National Weather Service. Flash flood watch now in effect through late tonight. The flash flood watch is now in effect for portions of northern New Jersey and northwest New Jersey, including the following areas in northern New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. In northwest New Jersey, Hunterdon. Through late tonight, a near-stationary frontal boundary combined with a hot and humid air mass will cause one or more rounds of thunderstorms with heavy rain to affect the area from this afternoon into tonight. Rainfall amounts could be highly variable, but a general 1 to 3 inches of rain with locally higher amounts is possible through tonight. Heavy rain in a short period of time may cause streams and creeks to rise quickly out of their banks. There is also the potential for flash flooding across more urbanized areas and those areas with poor drainage. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. At 11 a.m. at the Lehigh Valley International Airport near Allentown,